G'day guys, do a quick video today about air conditioning and zoning. We put this system in a little while ago. Fortunately for us, the guy we put it in was a painter. These two little things here. So what happened there is we ripped out a very old zone controller. We've put in a new system and a new control zone setup. Obviously with the paint here you can see it's a little bit smaller. Anyway, let's have a look. So on the left we have the Panasonic ducted controller. Press any button, lights up. At the moment we're running in heat and 22 degrees auto fan speed, and press any button there. We're going to focus in. At the moment we've got you can name these zones. This place in particular has 5 zones. At the moment we've got the blue room on, which is like a media room, but that's what they want to call it, so that's what it's been called. Master bedroom's on. With just those two on, it's been programmed to have an automatic spill into the living area. So any additional airflow that's will just spill into the living area. If we turn the living on, it should go off. It's a little safety feature, just so you don't basically have too much air coming out of not enough registers. Yeah, how's that English? Anyway, the beauty about this touchpad, you can actually have one, just that, and get rid of the Panasonic one or any other of the manufacturers. But I like to run it like this, with the two here. But you know, some people like to have it looking a bit schmick and run it off the one, which is fine. But anyway, let's get back to this. So 5 zones. Now the beauty of this touchpad is we can, if we're getting too much air in the master, we can dial it down in 10% increments. Easy as that. Easy as that.